gonna introduction?
Yeah, I got it. What's up, guys? It's a 1 hour build.
With Reuben and Walker. I was reading. I guess I have to put this away. Goodness.
If you guys didn't know, today is National Read Across America Day. So we made some
bookmarks.
There we go.
Dun-dun-dun. So we did some bookmarks like this one for your Edgar Allan Poe book. We have... Oh, that one's hard to see. So,
Let's have the audience guess what it is for.
Oh, yeah? This guy's...
So let us know.
We have this guy. So when you close the book...
Bam.
Boom. People are like, what is that?
We thought this would be a cool project for kids and stuff like that.
Yeah, super simple. It's not complicated. They're bookmarks, so they're flat pieces of material. I would suggest like a 16th inch material with it when it comes to thickness or lower.
Yeah.
Like a thin wood veneer is fine. We have 4 files available. Obviously, these are more for somebody who's getting started. They don't know how to design really yet, so they can just throw these in the laser and get going.
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of bookmarks are just rectangles, and I hope you can design a rectangle. If not, you'll learn soon, because it's very simple. But, yeah, they're more for inspiration. So if you have a favorite book and you're like, wow, I want, a Jurassic Park, you know, whatever, bookmark, then go ahead and make it. But if not, you have these files, and they work for any book. They're just sticks, really.
Yeah. There's a Jurassic Park book?
It was based off, yeah.
Dang.
Come on,
I
bro.
did not know this, yeah.
It was probably
I love the
before your
movies,
time,
but yeah.
The last one was...
The last one's
Yeah. So, we're just going to go into the software and take a look at one of these files, which is my favorite, which is the whale file. So, here's the whale in its natural habitat, RE2. And, as you can see, we took a picture of the actual material inside. The material is from Romark, and it's this blue and black kind of... It's not camouflage. It looks like something from the 80s. I really like it. And I'm just going to cut the whale out of it real quick. If you see the design, it's a whale tail. So I guess that's applicable for a lot of books. But this one is specifically Moby Dick. And it has the harpoons in the A's. So, yeah. What else was I going to say? Anybody on Facebook that has questions, if you guys have ideas for projects that you want to see us do, just let us know.
Let us know.
It's Friday. I don't want to think about work over the weekend. I don't.
You don't?
No.
All right.
I know you love.
Oh yeah, I love working.
Reuben loves Fridays because it's that much closer to Monday.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
How would you know?
That's how I feel too. So, let's go over to the laser, and we're going to start cutting.
This whale one's pretty cool, man. It says
Thanks,
"Sail Forbidden Seas."
Sail the we're not.
Oh.
Did somebody turn on the compressor? Or they turn it off?
They might have turned it off. Let's fix that.
Uno momento. Oh. Just give us 1 sec. Charles is all smiling. Alright, let's start that again. There we go. And it's that easy.
There we go.
There we go.
I know Charles wants to cut to this real quick.
There we go.
It's pretty cool, man.
What's that say?
Sail the Forbidden Seas.
Oh, that's got some depth to it.
Yeah.
Right? That's leagues above the rest. They have to guess, right? I keep reading it and saying what it's from.
What do you guys think this one is? Let us know. Comment.
Actually, that one I saw like a version of it on
Yeah.
Google, and I'm like, I'm sure people would like that. So
Yeah, it's
made
cool,
our
man.
own.
This Edgar Allan Poe one is like super legit too.
Thanks, man. When you close the book, the little raven pokes out. That's my favorite part. And you can put your own face in there if you want. You know, be
There you
super
go.
egotistical
Yeah.
as you read. I'll save this for me. Alrighty.
Damn, that was quick.
That was super quick. So, this is going to be a super simple one, but there we go. Let's see that. Whoa. Now, can you speak whale? You've seen Nemo, right? Finding Nemo?
I can't speak whale.
No?
I've seen Finding Nemo, but
You can't
no,
speak whale.
I can't speak whale.
Yeah.
Sorry, man.
Disappointing.
Yeah.
Well, this is, like I was saying, if you see that, like, marble kind of metallic, that's, to me, it looks super 80s, right? Like, MC Hammer would wear this on his pants.
Yeah, it's kind of cool though.
I like
it's
it,
like retro,
yeah.
like, you know.
Yeah, it's super 80s. So since that was so fast, let's just cut another one.
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah.
Like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. We're here to answer your guys' questions,
Yeah.
and
We're here for
yeah,
you.
basically.
And let's do a little for us. Let's talk about the weekly contest.
Yeah, so weekly contest, it's open to everyone this week. So no like theme, wood, or anything like that. It's just open to everyone. So go ahead and just submit whatever you're working on this week.
Also, if you can take one of our projects
Yeah.
and make it better,
There
go
you go.
ahead and do so.
Yeah.
That'd be a cool, like,
Brownie
I'd pick
points,
that.
yeah.
That you'd instantly, like, get
Yeah.
to the top with that one.
So you guys been making some really cool stuff. We it's been harder and harder to choose each week. So
Who was the weekly contest winner?
this week,
Yeah.
believe his name is Tanner. He created the paper light lamp.
Oh, yeah, that
Yeah.
one was really cool. I
Yeah.
like that.
So
So weekly contest, they win $250, right?
yeah, they win $250. Or my bad.
They win $250.
They win a free. They have a choice between a free lens or $250 off $1,000 purchase.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
$1,000 or more. Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
We got
I
a
would
question.
pick a lens. Oh, yeah.
So Steve says, "Hey guys, when you have a project that needs to raster words, raster a picture and a vector to cut out a project, do you have to do it in 3 separate files using Inkscape?"
Steve, so you do not. You just have a single file. I can show you. So if we go into my computer again, and I will show you the file. So these are the 4 files with that project. And as you can see, these vector lines are blue. And then you have a black, which that's going to be rastered. All the black is going to be rastered. And then you have a specific color in that same file for the cut. So it's very, very easy. And let's just go ahead and print this to the software instead and just show Steve how it is.
Yeah, he said Steve's saying it's a bookmark and I'm cutting it out of leather.
Ooh, very
Leather
cool.
from Romark. So good choice, Steve.
Yeah. So we'll go ahead and save this. Actually, I have this guy.
Jeff, I do not know if the 5-inch lens are back in stock. I can find out for you. If you shoot me a DM, I'll reach out to our team and see if that's in stock for you.
So we have the Bookmarks PDF. So as you can see, Steve, that was a single file. We're going to import everything. So if you see import everything, import raster, import vector only.
Okay.
We're going to import everything. So that's just going to process for a second and then throw our file of the 4 bookmarks with the vector lines and the rasters all in one. So as you can see, the vector lines, those are made up of different colors. And the yellow I set for a border, like a marking, so you don't actually have to cut that one. And then the cyan is going to be the actual cut. And black we can just turn off because that's what it's registering on the actual raster. So if we go to the raster section, zoom in here. Kind of hard to see on that black background,
Yeah.
but we'll try to get. What? We'll zoom in a little more. You can see that Edgar Allan Poe right here. That's a black, and that's going to be just raster.
Okay.
And then you can also change it so the black and white threshold doesn't pick up certain colors. So let's say that your vector lines are red, they're getting picked up by the black and white threshold on the raster. You just lower that black and white threshold and it's going to get rid of those vector lines being picked up as a raster.
Gotcha.
That's going to save you a lot of time when it comes to running jobs. So yeah, I think that's it. We also have our cool box is now available. That is going to replace your bucket. If you're still using a bucket and not a chiller, you can have the single. You want to grab it?
Yeah, I'll grab it.
There we go.
There it is.
In all its glory. So this cool box is now available and it replaces your water and air. So all your water and air go into this one mechanism and it just replaces all the other stuff.
All in one.
All in one.
So
Nice for moving stuff.
kick the bucket on the bucket.
Oh,
To do.
there you go.
Yeah.
Sometimes you say things and it amazes me. Hilarious. So, yeah, join us next week. We're actually.
Oh, I thought you were gonna cut another one, dude.
No.
No, we showed Steve the file.
Okay.
I think we're good. I mean, they saw the whale cut, and that's the best one, right?
I mean,
It's my favorite.
might as well just cut another one.
All right,
Yeah.
all right. Why not?
Walker wants to end the show on you guys.
No, man, they're bookmarks. I think they got it. All right, we'll delete that guy from the software. Let's go to software real quick. So we'll delete that guy. We'll drag and drop. Now we will simply drag and drop the PDF into only import the vector. Open. There we go. Now we have our whale. And we're going to drag it over the material again. And we're going to cut him again.
There we go.
Steve has another question. He says, does the black and white threshold damage the quality of the words? You said, yeah, I was picking up the vector lines.
Yeah, as long as your words are black, throwing that threshold down, Steve, is not going to change anything. Your black's going to probably disappear before it ruins the actual. But you can play with that, and you'll actually see it visually in the software. But if they're black, they're good.
Gotcha.
You just don't want to bring it down to 0. Oh yeah, I moved the material.
Good call, Charles.
Charles got my
Yeah,
back.
saving the day.
Alrighty. Now we're just gonna run perimeter. Make sure it's on there. And we'll we'll cut another whale bookmark for Reuben's mom.
There we go. Steve says, I ordered a cool box from Matt, and it's gonna be here Tuesday. Can't wait. That's
Very
awesome.
nice.
Yeah.
That's awesome to hear because it's been,
Yeah.
work in progress.
Yep.
And
We figured people would love the cool box, so.
yeah. I mean, some people own the Muse and then they travel with it and engrave personal things like
Yep.
at fairs and stuff and actually make a lot of money.
Yep.
So the fact that you can easily move things like that and not have to worry about stuff getting in your bucket or it just, it getting too hot,
Yeah.
I think it's perfect.
I think so too.
Very, very cool. Man, Fridays.
Yeah, man. You love that acrylics, man?
It smells great.
Yeah.
Actually, we should have not cut it in the building.
Yeah, dude.
Should
Nice.
have cut some paper, really.
Yeah.
I forgot about that. But this is Romark material.
Yeah.
And it doesn't smell that bad if the lid's closed, but we have the camera set up and the lid is wide open, so we get those beautiful smells. See, that's,
There you go. It's that simple.
yeah.
I mean, you could if you had like a class, let's say, you can
Oh,
literally knock like
throw a
bunch
whole
of these
sheet
out,
in there. take the file,
Yeah.
just copy and paste
Like
it.
if everyone was reading that book, you can like do the whole
Yeah, yeah.
class, and then everyone would have the same bookmark.
That
or
would be
something.
cool.
Or like have each name on each like student have their own bookmark.
Yeah, just
you
throw
know?
their name on
Yeah.
there.
Uh,
That would be nice.
Some ideas for some people out there.
So, another whale for Reuben's mom. There we go.
There we go.
Yeah. Bookmarks, man. So next week, I promise it's going to be a little bit more elaborate, the
Okay.
project itself. And yeah, like us on Facebook, Instagram, punch the subscribe button, and watch more of us. It will be more exciting next time.
I thought that was pretty exciting.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like
Wow.
the bookmarks.
You like bookmarks?
Yeah.
All right, man. These are all yours.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, show them all? We're going to show all the bookmarks.
Probably flip them.
Oh, yeah. Flip them. So we got one for everybody. Since nobody guessed, that's the Odyssey, Moby Dick, Wizard of Oz, and Edgar Allan Poe, The Raven.
Oh, dude, I thought this was Wizard of Oz.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's the wizard.
Yeah.
Looks just like it, man. I believe. So, I think that's it for
think
now.
that's it, yeah.
Did we?
Pro sale?
Pro sale.
You wanna talk
20,
about?
yeah, 20 by 12. If you need a prototype situation and you just have a small space to work with, it's perfect for that situation.
What's
If-
so good about it?
Well, it fits through a door. It actually has a Z table. Unlike a
Yeah.
hobby machine, even though it's the same size, it has a Z table that you could put something like a book in there, no problem. You wouldn't have to take off the floor
Yeah.
and just lower the Z table. It goes up to 8.5 inches, I believe.
That's what you guys are using today a little bit, the Z table, right?
Yeah. So when you have like that little box we did
Yeah.
earlier this week, we lowered the Z table and there was no problem. Real quick, you just change the focus and go as normal.
Norbert says, you guys are lucky you guys are in Texas. It's snowing northeast. We're actually in Las Vegas, so.
We're in Las
Yeah.
Are we in Texas?
Yeah. But it is warm, but it's very windy
It's
today.
warm and windy.
Yeah.
Yeah, as usual, really.
Yeah. But yeah, I heard the northeast is getting slammed with
Yeah?
snow.
Dang, man.
So, yeah. I think that's it, man.
Yeah, man. Well, until next
Yeah.
time.
Keep making, guys.